Hello, this is Jim back with another video. This time we have a new product in, which was announced at CES and won an award, which is the Lifesmart Cololight Builder Light. So you can get creative with this, you can buy more, it's voice controlled, you can have multiple setups for it, 16 million colours to choose from, dynamic effects and sound activated. And here is the back of the box, which will give you a look at some more. And of course you have an app and it'll tell us what's inside the box. And on the side here it'll also tell us that it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. So let's check it out and see what it's all about. So first of all, you will get your little instruction booklet here. You will get 3 of the lights in this package here. So this connects up like so. As you can see, the setup is the same on the whole lot. You also get some clips here, and you will get your stand like so. So from here you will have to go and set it up. So on the back here it'll show us how you can go ahead and do that. So this is the base here, and you will simply connect one of the units on like so. So this being the main power unit here. You then get your clips, which will pop out, and then you can, from the back there, as you can see, there's multiple units there, or areas you can connect it to. So we're just going to do a simple design, but as I said, here you can build this whichever way you want. So I'm going to build it and keep it simple like this here. So I'm going to pop it in there, and I'm going to pop that in there, and it works by USB plug. So I'm going to take that off and see if anything happens on first connecting up like that. If not, we will check out more later on, because it's going to be better showing you in the dark anyway how this works. But this is just a quick first look at the product itself, and we've lost connection there. Just going to make sure that it's in nice and tight. And I'm just going to go with that for now. So this is the idea anyway of what you can see here. You can see the unit changing colour there. So we're going to download the app, set it up all together, and show you what it's like in the dark. It's it'd be a much better thing to use in the dark. It'll set a nice mood in the house, and it's a pretty cool idea. And the fact that you can add as many as you can on as you like, so you can cover a whole frame or a wall with these if you are looking for something like that, which is pretty cool. And it's a simple setup, as you can see. They all just connect up together, so it's a modular kind of setup, if you will. And that's basically how it works. And then you have your app downloaded, then you can change the tones. There's 16 million colours in total, and we'll show you that when we have it lit set up and when it's darker in the house, because it's daytime here now. It's not going to be easy to show you and the full effect that you get. And it's connectable with your Wi-Fi at 2.4 GHz for those wondering. You have app touch button, you have power consumption, static 0.3 watts, maximum 5, weight 52 grams, and you've operating temperatures there as well, humidity, and your communication protocol is Wi-Fi, and the size is 86 by 74 by 30.5. So that's pretty much about it for now. Stay tuned after the break for a look at the Cololight in action.